What's something women don't talk about enough but absolutely should?
I think periods. We should talk more about periods. It is too much stereotyped, and only if we talk, those stereotypes will be moved from the society. So.
I think it's about periods. It's almost a taboo to talk about periods in front of men. So I think they should talk normally. That's normal process.
Periods like should actually speak openly about this. Maybe it is casual to speak about this, as many of them should know about this, especially men. They should understand what is the problem of the girls. It might be like this.
Periods. They don't talk very openly about the periods. That's the biggest thing. Every month they face such a pain and bleeding every month. Another thing is, I guess, about the problem can be the eve teasing, or somewhere when they are someone vessel, or someone tease them, so they hesitate to tell even to their friends also. They should talk it openly about it.
But one thing that I think is not covered is women's toxicity towards women. It happens no कि some of us feels more pain during our periods, some of us don't. So whenever we complain about it, no कि है ना ओ मेरे को बहुत pain हो रहा है. The other women who does not feel pain, they just to show off, they sometimes tell you कि कितना ही pain होता है, हम भी तो आते हैं फलाना ठिकाना. तो I think that's the thing.
Every year we talk about women's empowerment. So are we truly empowered if we're still fighting for safety, respect and equal pay?
We have to fight actually. We are not getting equally from anywhere also. We are not feeling equal rights. Have given someone have given us equal rights. We don't feel it, as we can see many problems, murder, rape cases, etc. These are things affecting the girls in many ways. So still girls are facing many problems.
Now also, if you want to go out and even after 8 o'clock for girls to go out and roam around, even parents want to, it's actually very scary because people stare like that and it's really uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable and it's not actually
Right, yeah, don't feel it right. I guess need to change it.
What message would you like to share with today's young girls and society?
Test yourself. Try to understand what are your needs. Focus on your needs, your family's needs. Everything will fall in place. Don't look at it as a holistic, as a society point of view. You do what you like. You know your restrictions, you know your boundaries. Don't try to break it unnecessarily. Just try to measure does it need breaking at all. And then you can naturally, when you know you're doing the right thing, you don't have to worry about society. Yeah.
So I just want to give a message to all the women is you're talented. You should believe in yourself. That's the reason woman is called as Nari Shakti. She has that power within her. So just explore it and do best. Whatever you can do, just give your best in everything. That's it.
So, all I can say is don't trust anybody that easily, and just trust yourself, and whatever you're doing, be confident and aware about your environment, and
Just be brave and face whatever comes.
and all are humans, so we have to brave. Even if someone does gender inequality or something, we should be ready to face the world, and we as girls, we should be independent and we should be more brave to face any situation.
Just be independent and brave.
So I'll just tell girls to be more courageous and just be self-dependent and work more on self. I just say them, and just be more bold towards your works or other things which you like to do. Just stand for yourself.